Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? I've got something cooking on the stove and guess what? It's starting to boil over. Excuse me. I'm back. I've been making soups and stews. You know, when you got sinus infection, bronchitis, and just yucky stuff like that, you don't really feel like eating too much, so I've been making homemade soups. And I've had chicken and rice soup. I've made some chili because it was nice and cold for that. And now I'm making some beef stew. So I'm looking forward to that. But hey, that's not why I'm on here. I'm not here to talk about what I'm eating. I am here today because do you Grove? Do you know what Grove is? Well, Grove is a company. It's called Grove Collaborative. It is a monthly subscription type ordering system. Now, you don't have to order every month, but you can, and I do. And if you're a VIP, you can get free shipping. You do pay $19.99 a year for that VIP membership, but you get quite a few perks. You get a free gift each quarter. You get gifts during the year. For whatever reason that they come up with. Of course, you get your free shipping on all orders that are $29 or more. You know, it's just some little perks that you get for being the VIP. But you can get all kinds of products, and the boxes come. When your order ships, they tell you it's shipping, you get it in like 2 days. Sometimes it could take a little longer, but not very often. And that says, enjoy the season, Vicki. And this is my December box. I'm behind schedule. We're going to do December and January here. Got two Jack Russells over there being really loud. I need to get this stuff out because I need some of this stuff. That's why I ordered it. You know, I needed a refill on some things. The first thing I'm going to pull out of here, I got some Method laundry detergent packs. This must be a freebie. They do allow you to pick out free trial things, and they send them out. Sometimes they send them out voluntarily, and then sometimes you can just order free samples. So I'm not sure if I ordered free samples or not, but I know I didn't order these, so as far as purchase them. So it's something I got as free sample. I also got some other laundry detergent, Grove lavender and rosemary samples. And looks like I got some Tom's anti-plaque and whitening toothpaste sample. So it looks like they sent me quite a few little samples here. And I got the Inner Strength Marine Collagen. So I've got a sample of that. So hey, I look forward to using that. Why not? Now, on to my order. One thing that I did buy was 2 boxes of the 7 generation tissue. These run about $1.76, $1.80 a piece, and they're used with 100% recyclable materials. And I also ordered the bamboo tissues, and these run about $2 a box, but you save a tree when you buy bamboo tissues. So I have 2 boxes of those, and we're staying green. That's one thing about Grove Collaborative. Everything, not everything, but most everything is vegan free. It's economically friendly, and they try not to use a lot of plastic. They're trying to move out of plastic by 2024 or 25. Most of their products are vegan free and cruelty free. This is their toothpaste. Hello. This is their toothpaste. And I like both of these. So I reordered the charcoal because I use that mostly. But I tried a sample of their natural spearmint, and I liked it too. And sometimes this is black toothpaste, okay? And sometimes when I'm in a hurry in the morning, I don't want to use black toothpaste. I want to get a white toothpaste. So this is just kind of the difference. One of them's going to have charcoal and maybe coconut, and the other one has natural spearmint. No peroxide, no dyes, no artificial sweeteners or sulfates. It's a no-brainer. That's what it says on this one. And it says the same thing over here. We just have activated charcoal with coconut oil. And that's one reason I really do like. This is my favorite. This is the one I use the most. The next item I'm pulling out of here, Gets the stains out. It's a laundry stain remover and it works really good. It's 7th generation and it's 0 fragrance and it's free and clear. Also got me some peony scent, Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner, and I really like this. It smells really fresh. They use essential oils and it's safe for my countertops and it's safe for me and my pets. And that's another reason I like Grove. They use a lot of essential oils for their cleaning products. So you're getting a more natural way to clean without using chemicals. And that is another positive. And this here is my free gift. I was telling you, when you're a VIP, you get free gifts every quarter. And you get to choose. They usually have 4 or 5 to pick from. And I chose this little bucket. And this is about a $13, $14 value. So it's a nice little bucket. It's made out of tin. And you can put your cleaning essentials in there. I mean, that's what they show it. I mean, you could probably use it any way you want to. That's what I got for my free gift this time. And I'm looking forward to using that with my cleaning product. Okay, now we emptied out that box. Let's go on to the next one. This is January's and it says anything is possible. This is a smaller box. As you can see, I didn't need as much. That's another thing I like about Grove. You know, when you go to the store, a lot of times you're buying what you need. You're not putting in, you know, things that you don't need yet, especially when it comes to cleaning supplies. And I like that about Grove. I can order what I need, and sometimes I don't need as much. And of course, my order's probably more down to $29. Sometimes I need a lot, and my order might be $60, $70. It just depends. And it depends what you get. Now, they have makeup and cleansers for your face. They've got baby products, pet products. They've got all kinds of products. So, I mean, it's easy to spend $29. Now, in this box, we got our same old paper. We're going to pull it out, and we're going to see what I needed to refill. Well, right away, I had to get some more 7th generation Disinfectant Spray. Okay. So on this, instead of using like Lysol spray for your disinfecting for your counters, you can use something more natural. It kills 99.99%, and it is a no rinse formula, and it uses botanical disinfectants and essential oils, as you can see on there. So it's very healthy for you. It's good for you, good for your family, good for your countertops, good for your dogs or your cats. Alright, let's see what else we have in here. I got some more of the liquid hydrating hand soap. This is a liquid. I get clear, and this is a bottle that you can buy. Lots of times you can buy it as a set if you want to get a starter set with the bottle. It's a glass bottle. They're going non-plastic, and then it's got a little silicone sleeve on the bottom. But this is my hand soap that you can use. Well, I use by my kitchen sink. You can use it however you want to, but it's hydrating, it's free and clear, fragrance free, and it's for a healthy home, it says on there, by Grove, and I like that. So I reordered that. And the next thing I got in here was some Method laundry detergent. I usually get lavender, but here lately I've been liking the beach sage, and I have the Method beach sage fabric softener. And then I also have the little sheets that you throw in the dryer. So I like lavender too, but this is a nice little change. Guys, this is a huge bottle. It's 66 loads, and it's HE friendly. I really like this, and I recommend it. You don't have to use very much of it to be effective. Now, I ordered me a different kind of disinfectant. You know how you buy Lysol spray to spray around the house? Well, they have this in the citrus scent like this, or now they have this no rinse lavender vanilla scent. As you can see, it kills the cold and the common flu viruses. It's a disinfectant, 99.99%, so it's just as effective as Lysol, but it's not harmful at all. So, and it's a no rinse spray, so you don't have to worry. I mean, it does say to keep out of reach of children, but I think that's just in general. You don't need children running around with a can of disinfectant. You know, they could spray that in their eyes or something. But I'm looking forward to using this and having that vanilla scent. The next item in here is I bought me some more bamboo tissues. So I'm going to be stocked up on them a while. And normally I'd already have the other boxes used up, but I never got to my boxes. That's bad, isn't it? I've just been so busy, and then I got sick. Just haven't felt good. So I've got a lot to get through and get organized already for January. And my last item in here is my winter free gift, and I was kind of surprised that they offered me another free gift because I just got a free gift in my December. So I don't know if December free gift was like for Christmas or what, but I'm just telling you, being a VIP, you get free gifts. So now to go in my little bucket, I have my little towel and grout scrubber. So isn't that nice? It's made out of wood, it's probably bamboo wood, Grove Collaborative, and it's a nice grip handle to hang on to while you're scrubbing. Get a sparkling bathroom with this beautifully designed brush. The Grunge Buster features a curved handle for ease and use and rough bristles for grout and soft bristles for the tile. So it's not too hard, not too rough, just perfect. So I'm looking forward to using that, and I can just hang it on my bucket there if I want to. So, and I got it free. So another free gift from Grove. And you notice I got a bunch of samples in my first packet. I probably could have ordered some samples for this box, but I didn't. I didn't really need too much, and I think I just let it ship when it was ready to ship. I had already gone in my cart. That's one thing I want you to know. With Grove, if you don't go in and adjust your cart, you'll get everything you've ever ordered. So when they send you your email to let you know that it's almost time for your shipment, make sure you go in there and get what you want or what you need and take out what you don't need or add in what you do need. That's one thing I would have to tell you to do. But hey guys, you can get a free starter kit, and I have the link below down in the description, and you can get a free kit that'll have some cleaning supplies. I think it's around a $40 or $50 value. If you want to try Grove Collaborative for free, then you can just certainly use that. And I will tell you, I do get like $10 or something if you decide to subscribe under me, and that just helps me buy, I guess, more product and more things that I can bring to the channel. But you know, it is a great deal. That's how I started. I used one of their free kit promos, you know, and once I got my product, I liked it so much. Well, here I'm into this for over 2 years now. So I like Grove, and I think if you were to try it, you would like it too. But anyways, that's all I have for today. I've got all my cleaning products, got me a few Kleenexes, and I can brush my teeth and keep them all nice and clean and white. And that's it. So, as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.